What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be reacting to some supercar crash fails. So, um, recently I've been posting how to make videos on like tutorials on Minecraft, and I've been getting some good views. So I'm gonna do those. But I'm also planning on doing this too, and my phone is. So yeah. So let's get started. My, oh, there we go. So I skipped ahead a little. So let me. Hold on. That's a super nice Lamborghini. Oh, I seen this one. He throws a coffee mug at his car. Look at it. Oh man, I would be mad. I would have got off and freaking. He got scared. Okay, that's it. That's a scratch. I'm just still doing bad stuff. Oh, I've seen this one. And he just crashed it. That's not much, and oh. So this guy, even if he wanted to get away from cops and stuff, he wouldn't be able to. Cause look, both doors. That's a nice GTR. I can't see a single thing. Oh, that's gonna cost a lot. Damn. I mean, sorry, didn't hear me. That's a nice Ferrari. Man. Oh, there he goes.
Oh,
He just crashed into what language is speaking.
Oddio, mamma, fermati! Mamma, vai indietro, porca miseria, mamma, vai indietro!
Oh, that's a dumb guy who
Va
drove that.
indietro,
Oh
va
my
indietro,
god.
mamma, sprizziamo il soccorso! Vado, ho ripreso la scena.
There we go.
Mio Dio.
So we got a nice car. The owner's coming back. Got in. Oh, and the guy's just gonna drive right into him. Are you serious? And stepped on his shoe? Ooh. Excuse the language. Sorry. Oh, he looks mad. Are you serious? It hit the taxi like... Oh my god. Ow, that must have hurt. Hey, cops that play too much GTA 5. It's a super nice car. That's not good at all.
Guess you're not driving the Ferrari. Jesus Christ.
Well, that's destroyed.
That's not good. That guy has to pay for that now.
That's a nice Lamborghini, man. If I had that, I would vlog on it every day. Super nice car. Whoa, that's a Corvette. That's a Corvette. Have no idea what that is. Ferrari, yeah. Oh, look at that car. Watch that one be the one crashing. Yep, that's the one that crashed. Oh my god. Just imagine the people that were standing over there. They must have got hurt. Yeah, I can't see if there's people. That's I think that's an Aventador. Nah, I don't know. I'm not that good at seeing which cars are which. Dummy, bro, there was a car right in front of you. Like, bro, you dumb. Look at that thing. Oh my god. Bro, he messed up his Lamborghini. Gosh. I think that's in, I have no idea, in New Jersey. New York. I don't know. Probably New York, probably. Oh, I see what happened. It broke down in the middle of the street. Feel bad for them. It's just, that was a nice Lamborghini and it broke down. That's sad. And all the traffic. Oh my god. There's some nice Corvettes. Oh, they're racing? Okay. That Corvette's done. Both Corvettes? Are you serious? That's dumb. Ferrari and a GTR. The GTR crashes. The Ferrari's good. Okay, yeah. Typical stuff. The more expensive car is okay, but the less expensive one is terrible. I feel bad for the other car that was just like driving normally. Oh my god. He's dumb. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see any more videos like this, please support me on this video. Leave likes, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification to tell you, that way YouTube can tell you every time I upload my next video. So thanks for watching. Have a great and fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video.